Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube. Sorry, this content is age restriction or these videos is age restricted problem. It means the platform has classified the videos as suitable only for the viewer 18 years or older. This is a policy-based restriction by YouTube app. Let's see step-by-step solution. Step 1. Confirm your Google account as YouTube check the date of birth linked in your Google account. If your account in under 18 age restriction videos was not played. Step 2. Open your YouTube app. Go to profile picture. Again click on setting icon. Click on general. If you are 18 plus, restriction mode can turn off. Step 3. Long press or long tap in YouTube application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 5. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search YouTube app. Update your YouTube application latest version. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube. Sorry, this account is age restricted problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.